It is your determination and persistence that will make you a successful person. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss an idiom, copycat. Copycat. In this lesson, we are going to discuss in detail the meaning and usage of the idiom copycat. Copycat is an adjective because it describes a noun. All the names are called nouns. Copycat describes a noun, so it is called as an adjective. It says something about a noun. It gives some information about a noun, so it is called as an adjective. Let's see the meaning of the word copycat. Denoting an action, typically a crime, carried out in imitation of another. See, copycat killings, copycat crime, copycat drugs. A copycat crime is one that appears to be a copy of another crime because it is so similar. When used in school, it describes someone who copies the work of another. It can also be used more generically when a person copies someone else's ideas, hobbies, and opinions on a topic. So, copycat means imitating someone's ideas, hobbies, and opinions. In school, copycat describes someone who imitates the work of another, made or done in exactly the same way as something else, is called copycat. Cheap copycat products. Products are made in exactly the same way as something else is called cheap copycat products. We can say it as duplicate products. If you call someone a copycat, you are accusing them of copying your behavior, dress, or ideas. If you call someone a copycat, you are accusing them of imitating your behavior, dress, or ideas. So, synonyms for copycat are imitate, mimics, doing the same way as someone does is called copycat. Now, let us use this idiom copycat in sentences. Look at this example. Sharon was accused of being a copycat when the teacher saw her looking at Jack's notebook. This dress was copycated straightly from designer originals. It means this dress was imitated straight from designer originals. Several copycat versions of the face cream produced almost immediately. It means several duplicate versions of the face cream produced almost immediately. Veena called me a copycat for wearing the same dress. So far in this class, we have discussed the meaning and usage of the idiom copycat. Copycat means doing exactly the same way as something else. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.